Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Software Developer blog channel. Today in this video, I'll talk about Docker in 3 minutes. By watching this video, you'll gain a basic understanding of what Docker is and why it's useful. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So, what is Docker? Essentially, Docker is a tool that allows you to run almost any application with all its dependencies in an isolated environment. But don't worry if that sounds complex. Let's consider an example. Let's say you need to run a web project written in Python. In this case, you'd have to install Python on your computer, set up the web framework, install all the necessary dependencies, and start a local server. And it would be great if the project takes off. But what if something goes wrong? Then you'll encounter a bunch of different errors. Now imagine a situation where you have to work with a project in a technology or language you're not familiar with. In that case, installing and configuring everything needed could take a lot of time. And this is where Docker comes in. Docker offers a container system that allows you to package the project into a container along with all its dependencies. Environment, server, packages, etc. After that, you can hand over this container to a client or another developer. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of Docker. Firstly, Docker is convenient for working with different operating systems. You can create a project on your computer, and another developer can run it regardless of what versions of languages and technologies they have installed. Secondly, if you send a project without Docker, you'll have to provide instructions for its setup and running. This can lead to errors if the instructions are not detailed enough, due to human error during installations, which complicates the deployment and testing process. And finally, with Docker, the testing process becomes much simpler. The user just needs to install Docker and run your project with a single command in the terminal. All the necessary environment is already in the container, so there's no need to manually configure or install anything extra. So, that's a quick overview of Docker in 3 minutes. In this video, I've tried to briefly and in simple terms explain Docker and its advantages. For a more detailed study of the topic, you'll need to install Docker on your PC and try packaging some project into it. Also, write in the comments whether this video was helpful for you, and share your experience using Docker in your projects. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and support this video with a like. On this channel, you'll learn a lot of new and interesting things from the world of development. Until next time, bye.